Hi friends, this has been a long time coming. I want to do one of my puzzles that I designed. I want to do it in front of you all just so you can see what the process is and just have it kind of be a ASMR, just something relaxing for you to watch me do. So this is my dog Million. It's actually his birthday today, so wish him happy birthday. He's 4 years old and he's a black mini golden doodle. So he just decided to do this puzzle with us. So um, I have no idea why. I guess it's also calming for him to watch me do the puzzle. So you can also have a cute dog watch you, or just look at the cute dog as well as me doing the puzzle. So the puzzle is Avery in space, and it's a little girl, like 7 years old, in outer space as an astronaut. She's like daydreaming about being an astronaut, and I am also doing custom puzzles. So, like, if you have a photo of your child or a child in your life, I can make them into a puzzle. Um, so that's something that you can do, like if you're a grandma or if you're an auntie, uncle, you can send your child's photo and I can either make a realistic photo, superimpose the photo on the puzzle, or turn them into a cartoon for the puzzle. So just so you know, that's